I'm going to show you how to install this bushing on a 2015 to 2022 WRX only. First, you'll want to support your car either A on jack stands or a lift. Once supported, you'll want to remove 4 12mm bolts. One here, one here, one here, one here. On the 2022 WRX, there's 2 more extra bolts here and here. Once heat shield is removed, you'll be able to gain access to this lower panel here, which is 4 10mm bolts. 2 there, and 1 right there, and 1 right there. Once that is removed, you will be able to get access to shifter cable assembly, and it'll be under this bushing here, under this clip that we will be replacing. Once you gain access to this bushing, you'll want to remove it. In my case, I already replaced it, but I'm showing you how to remove it, and it just pops right off. Once you have the new bushing, you'll want to add a small dab of grease to the inside of the bushing. Next, you'll want to take a 5/8 socket with a 6-inch extension and place the bushing inside the socket to install. Next, take the 5/8 socket with the bushing on the bottom end, and you're going to want to just firmly push the bushing into place, and it should stay into place. And then you'll want to take and pull down on the bushing to ensure that it's fully installed. Once installed, you will take the shifter cable and you'll want to reinstall it. So when you push this in, you'll hear 1 click. That is not fully installed. You'll want to separate the clip on the back side and push it up over 1 more time. Now that is fully installed. Once that is installed, you'll want to reinstall the 4 10mm screws with the plate that covers the shifter cable assembly. After tightening those 4 screws, you'll want to reinstall the heat shield and retighten the 4 12mm bolts that hold in the heat shield. Once that is done, you will be fully ready and all set to go. Lower down vehicle and test drive to make sure nothing binds or the cable should not pop off. This should be a 100% guaranteed fix to the plastic bushing failure on the 2015 through 2022 WRX.